Let me get started here. As some of you know my name, you can call me Randy. It's easier than remembering my whole name. We're going to start with an exercise on social media. And the first thing I'd like to ask you is how many of you are using any form of social media at this time?
For business or just?
For anything. Okay, good. So we know that people are using it. You know that. We need to know more about it. But what is social media? Well, here's the easiest way to explain it. If you look around the room, you'll see how everybody's positioned themselves around the table. You'll see everybody's spread out, right? Now, everybody doesn't know each other yet. And this is how social media works. Most of the people who are new to social media will come into like Facebook or Twitter, and what they'll do is they'll come in and they'll make a comment. I'm making a comment now. I'm in this business, and I do this and I do that, and please come and like my page because I'm wonderful. And that's how they make a comment. So what I'd like everybody to do is get out of your seats. And I want you to introduce yourself to 3 people, but we're going to do it a little different because we're playing the social media game. What I'd like to do is you to introduce yourself to 3 people, just walking up to them and telling them your business, nothing else. What I'd like you to do is pair up. The person with the shortest hair will go first. So introduce yourself to 3 people. All you're going to do is go up and explain your business in like 30 seconds. No introduction, just see what it feels like. 3 people that you don't know. I mean, that you know. That's it. Don't give your name, just tell them their business. That's it. And then go mix it up, go to the next person. Don't give your name, you're just telling your business. That's right. And then go to somebody else. Shortest person goes first. Okay, stop. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to show you this is how most people use social media. You notice it's kind of a wall that's up there? Okay, now what I'd like you to do is you're going to walk up to the person, you're going to say your name, you're going to say something nice like, "Hi, my name is, this is what I do, and what do you do?" So we're going to start teaching them how to interact with you now. So again, you'll have like a minute, 3 people, shortest person with the shortest hair goes first. Yeah, introduce yourself, tell them a brief statement about yourself, about a sentence, and right away ask them a question about what they do. That's it, and then switch people. Yep, go to somebody else, try to introduce yourself to 3 people. What you'll notice is it's going to feel a little better.
Hi.
And switch again.
Are we switching again?
Yeah, switch one more time.
How did 3?
Okay, good. You can sit down then. Yeah. All right, then go ahead and sit down again. Now you'll notice that there's 2 ways that you approach people. One is you went up there and you just pronounced that you have a business. How did that make you feel? A little bit awkward. A little bit awkward. That's how a lot of people approach social media. Social media is all about creating relationships, and for people like us, it will be teaching other people how to be able to communicate and interact with us. The secret to your success in social media is getting people to respond to your comments. If they're not responding to you, you're wasting your time.